Hello kids, welcome to your English class. Today we will do Unit 6, Poem number 6, If I Were an Apple from your English Marigold book. So the poem is about a little boy who wants to be an apple and he would not want to stuck on the tree. And what he wants? He wishes to fall down on and be eaten by a nice boy like him. So this would give him joy. He is thinking that if I would drop down on a nice boy like me, and I would very happy. So this is the poem about a little boy. So let's do reading and I will explain you the poem in Hindi. So now let's do reading. So what is the name of the poem? If I Were an Apple. Learn, recite and enjoy this poem. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and say, eat me, bye boy. So children, ये जो पोयम है ये इस छोटे से बच्चे की है. ये देखो, ये छोटा सा बच्चा है, कितना खुश हो रहा है ना. ये क्या सोच रहा है कि काश मैं एक एप्पल होता. क्या होता? मैं एक सेब होता और जो मैं वहाँ पे पेड़ पे उगता और मैं क्या करता वहाँ से. आई थिंक आई वुड ड्रॉप डाउन. मैं तो खुद जो है ना वो नीचे गिर जाता. और किसके ऊपर गिरता? ऑन अ नाइस बॉय लाइक मी. जो मेरे जैसा अच्छा सा बच्चा होता, मैं उसके ऊपर गिर जाता. ठीक, ओके. एंड आई वुडंट स्टे देयर गिविंग नोबडी जॉय. मैं सिर्फ ऊपर पेड़ पे लटक के क्या करता, किसी को कोई खुशी नहीं मिलती है ना अगर मैं ऊपर ही रहता. लेकिन अगर मैं उस बच्चे के ऊपर गिरता तो उस बच्चे को बहुत अच्छा लगता. और आई वुड फॉल डाउन एट वंस एंड से ईट मी माई बॉय. और मैं बोलता कि देखो मैं तुम्हारे ऊपर गिर गया हूँ, अब तुम मुझे खा लो अच्छे बच्चे, तुम मुझे खा लो. सो ये एक ऐसी पोयम है जो इस छोटे से बच्चे की है जो सोच रहा है कि काश मैं एक सेब होता. तो बच्चों, आपको क्या करना है, आज ये पोयम लिखनी है. ऐसी एक आपको एप्पल ट्री बनाना है, उसको कलर करना है और उसके अंदर आपको अपनी पोयम लिखनी है. ओके, सो लेट्स डू न्यू वर्ड्स नाउ. APPLE apple. BOY boy. EAT eat. DROP drop. Let's read. I like to eat an apple. I like to eat an apple. We clap our hands with joy. We clap our hands with joy. So now children, let's do some exercises. Reading is fun. So these exercises, for these exercises I will make new video for you and you will do these questions and answers from that video. So where is the apple? Where is the apple? The apple is on the tree. The apple grew on the tree. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? Look at this picture. The boy is under the tree. The boy is under the tree. How can the boy get the apple? How can the boy get the apple? ये जो boy है, इसको apple कैसे मिलता? Either he climbed the tree or either the apple is like this boy who dropped down itself. या तो ये बच्चा जो है चढ़ता ऊपर पेड़ से तोड़ के लेके आता, या ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो बॉय जो एप्पल है वो इस बच्चे की तरह है जो कह रहा है कि मैं खुद ही किसी अच्छे से लड़के के ऊपर, बच्चे के ऊपर गिर जाऊं ताकि वो मुझे खा ले. लेट्स टॉक. डू यू लाइक एप्पल्स? यस. हैव यू एवर क्लाइम्ड अ फ्रूट ट्री? क्या आप कभी इस तरीके से फ्रूट ट्री पे चढ़े हो? ओके. Yes or no? You can write down your own answers. Now, let's share. Fill in the blanks. So, children, this exercise you will do it in your book. If I were a bird, I would dash, fly or cry. अगर मैं चिड़िया होता तो मैं रोता कि मैं उड़ता. So, if I were a bird, I would fly. I would fly. If I were a bee, I would dash. I would buzz or trip. Bee means honey bees. So honey bees क्या करते हैं? Buzz करते हैं. Sound आती है या ची 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 trip. So honey bee buzz. So bee sorry children, B-U-Z-Z buzz. Okay. Now let's read and write. S-T-U-V. So you will trace these letters in your book like this. S. Okay. So you can do this exercise also in your book. This exercise also you can do it in your book, and this also you can do it in your book. Now come to next exercise. Say loud. Apple, people, ripple, drew, grew, threw, dew, few, mew, ball, call, fall. All these words are rhyming words. Now word fun. Now fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the pictures as clues to find the fruit. Number 1. So look at the picture. So what fruit is this? This is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Number 2. This is grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Number 3. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Number 4. So which fruit is this? This is banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Number 4. Number 5. Where is number 5? Number 5. Number 5. This is number 5 fruit. So which fruit is this? This is A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And number 6. This is called pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. This exercise, children, you will do it in your book. Okay, children. So this is your today's work. Learn the poem, write down the poem, and do these exercises in your book. Okay, children. Till then, goodbye. Be safe at your home. Take care.